Here's a comprehensive review of the 2026 Honda CB77 Retro Tourer. The Legend Reborn 2026 Honda CB77 Review. The 2026 Honda CB77 is a masterclass in neo-retro design. It doesn't just mimic the past, it elevates it. Honda has managed to preserve the iconic silhouette of the original 305cc Superhawk while integrating 21st-century touring capabilities and a refined fit and finish that rivals boutique custom builds. Side view, the golden ratio of design. The profile view reveals the true heart of the CB77. The balance between the engine mass and the bodywork is nearly perfect. The tank, the signature toaster-style fuel tank, features deep knee indents and a stunning tri-tone paint job, cream, green, and gold pinstriping, proudly displaying the classic Honda wing logo. The engine, a beautifully polished parallel twin engine, sits at the center, with cooling fins that pay homage to air-cooled ancestors, though it likely houses modern liquid cooling tech hidden behind the frame. Touring ready. This model is equipped with premium black leather saddlebags featuring dual buckle straps. They integrate seamlessly with the rear subframe, making this a legitimate weekend tourer without ruining the lines of the bike. Rear view, symmetry, and sophistication. Moving to the back, the CB77 feels substantial. The symmetry of the dual exhaust pipes gives the bike a big bike presence that the original 305 never quite had. Lighting. An iconic oval red taillight sits atop the rear fender, flanked by classic amber bullet indicators. Exhaust. The twin chrome pea-shooter exhausts are a nostalgic touch, likely tuned to provide a rhythmic, mellow parallel twin growl. Utility. From this angle, you can see how the saddlebags add significant width, providing a stable, planted look that suggests high-speed stability on the highway. Top view, the pilot's perspective. Looking down from the saddle, the CB77 is all about clean ergonomics and tactile quality. The cockpit is dominated by a long, sculpted cream fuel tank with a centered, polished chrome flip-top gas cap. Seating. The long, flat bench seat is stitched in high-quality black vinyl, offering plenty of room for a passenger or for the rider to tuck back during spirited sprints. Handlebars. The wide swept-back chrome handlebars provide an upright, neutral riding position, ensuring that long days in the saddle won't result in wrist fatigue. Front view. Classic clarity. From the front, the CB77 strikes an imposing yet elegant pose. The center of attention is the oversized circular LED headlight housed in a color-matched emerald green nacelle. Suspension. Modern telescopic forks are finished in a brilliant chrome and green two-tone, blending durability with style. Instrumentation. Dual chrome-rimmed mirrors sit high and wide, offering excellent rearward visibility, while the minimalist front profile emphasizes the bike's narrow, agile frame. Stance. The slim front tire and high-mounted cream fender give it a light, scrambler-adjacent feel that promises easy turn-in for city riding. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda CB77 is more than a motorcycle, it's a piece of rolling jewelry. It successfully bridges the gap between a museum-quality show bike and a practical daily rider. For the rider who values heritage, chrome, and the simple joy of a twin-cylinder, Honda has hit a home run.